Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a honey Dijon potato salad. Now honey and Dijon mustard go beautifully together. You get that sweet and sour thing going on. So for this potato salad, I'm going to mix the sauce separately before I add the potatoes because I want to soften up the honey enough that it'll coat the potatoes. So I'm just mixing this with just a little bit of warm water. Then I'm adding some Dijon mustard. And also some mayonnaise because it makes a nice creamy potato salad. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm using red potatoes, and I have cooked them for just about 5 minutes until they're cooked all the way through, but not so soft that they start to break down. I'm also going to add some fresh chives. And there you have a honey Dijon potato salad.